1847 we got independence. That is the first time we hoisted our flag officially. So from that day onwards, every year we are celebrating that day as our Independence Day. It is our national festival. We are celebrating only two national festivals. What are they? Independence Day and Republic Day. National festival means whole the nation will celebrate this festival. Whole India. Some festivals, Sankranti, Diwali, Vinayak Chauthi, Krishnastami, all will be celebrated in Andhra Pradesh. Like that, each and every state have their own festivals. But these two festivals will be celebrated by the whole nation, by the whole India. We feel proud for being an Indian. Position after getting independence, now only you all have seen in a song how our national leaders sacrificed their lives. Who just now only you have seen who are they have shown us practically how they fought with Britishers. Who?
I watched in that dance, Mama.
You have seen in the dance, no? How they fought with Britishers. Alluri Sita Ramaraju, Kata Brahmana, Subhash Chandra Bose, Chhatrapati Shivaji, all these are our great freedom fighters. You have all seen visually how they fought with Britishers. చూసారు కదా వీళ్ళు బ్రిటిష్ వస్తే ఎలా పోరాడారో చూసారా లేదా సాంగ్లో చూసారు కదా సో అదే విధంగా అందరూ నౌ యూ హ్యావ్ సీన్ ఫ్రమ్ ప్రీ ప్రైమరీ స్టూడెంట్స్ ఆన్వర్డ్స్ గ్రేట్ ఫ్రీడమ్ ఫైటర్స్ ఇంకా చాలా మంది చూసాం మనం ఇప్పటి వరకు సో ఆల్ దీస్ సాక్రిఫైస్ దేర్ లైఫ్స్ ఫర్ అవర్ నేషన్ సో వీ హ్యావ్ టు టేక్ దిస్ ఆపర్చునిటీ to tribute them, to convey our thanks for getting independence for India. All is in your hands. As citizens of India, the development of India depends on the citizens and students. It depends on you. If we are good, our nation will also be developed. If for that purpose only our government is taking necessary steps to develop science and technology and in improving our sharp, its launching and all. So after getting independence, we got some rights and some duties also. Before independence, we have no freedom. We have no right to speak. We have no right to live. We have no right to educate. But now we are enjoying all the rights. Now we are free for freedom. We are free to educate. We are free to express our opinions and views. We are free to conduct meetings and all. Before that, we have no rights to do all these things. So we have to utilize to develop our country by making use of our independence. So as students, what is your duty? You have to give respect to your parents, give respect to your elders and teachers. Then only you will get good discipline. Without discipline, we can't do anything. With discipline only, we will improve. You are the role models for upcoming citizens, upcoming students. So be the role model for all the others, those who are accompanying to you. And the development of India is in our hands, in your hands specifically. If you develop in science and technology, our India will also be developed. And our India is doing its level best to be the one of the topmost countries in the upcoming years. So you all have to take an oath that you are going to do your level best for the country. Once again, I wish you all 78th Independence Day wishes to you all and enjoy. Thank you.
Morning to respected principal, ma'am, teachers and all my dear friends. My name is Pridesh. I am studying in 9th class. Today I will say few words about Independence Day. At first, I would like you to wish a happy Independence Day. On 15 August 1947, India lost freedom from the British rule. Since then, every year we are celebrating Independence Day on 15
ఓకేనా?
This day we are celebrating Independence Day all over the world. India got freedom from 1947. After independence, we are celebrating this day. Now we are celebrating 78th Independence Day of our country. It is one of the days for greatest day for India. It is remember for the great freedom fighters whose efforts gave an Independence Day. The great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh, Jhansi Lakshmibai all fought for India for independence. We must respect our Independence Day and flag, Indian flag and national anthem. Let us all work together and make our country the best country of the world. We must proud feel to be an Indian. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity.
Good morning to all of us. Respected principal, ma'am, and all the teachers of Sunday School. I am Jay from class 7. Today I share 3 words about Independence Day. Independence Day is the most important day in history of India. Independence Day is celebrated on 15 August. On this day in 1947, India became free from British rule. We are celebrating 78th Independence Day in our country. Many freedom fighters sacrificed their lives for the independence of India. We pay tribute to our freedom fighters on this day. On this day, national flags are hosted on schools, colleges, and government institutions. Various cultural programs are organized on the occasion of Independence Day. Independence Day is thank you.
सभी को मेरा प्रणाम। मेरा नाम शिक्षा है। मैं 9वीं कक्षा में पढ़ती हूँ। पहले सभी को स्वतंत्रता दिवस शुभकामनाएं। मैं आज स्वतंत्रता दिवस के बारे में आपसे कुछ बात कहना चाहती हूँ। स्वतंत्रता दिवस भारत देश का एक राष्ट्रीय पर्व है। यह हर साल 15 अगस्त को मनाया जाता है। यह भारत देश में पूरे लोग उत्साह से मनाया जाता है। यह भारत देश में बहुत महत्वपूर्ण दिन है। यह 78 स्वतंत्रता दिवस मनाया जा रहा है। हमें इस दिन अंग्रेजियों की गुलामी से आजाद हुए थे। इस भारत देश के लिए बहुत सारे महान लोग अपने जान को खतरे में रखकर शहीद हो गए थे। इस दिन हम स्वतंत्र सेनानियों का सपना पूरा हुआ था। यह दिवस हमें शहीदों की याद दिलाती है। इस दिन देश के प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी लाल किले पर तिरंगा फहराते हैं। इसके बाद राष्ट्रीय गाना गाया जाता है। थैंक यू।
Principal, ma'am, teachers, and my dear friends. Today we have gathered here to celebrate a very special day. It's a day to remember the brave heroes who fought for our freedom. Independence Day is a time to remember their bravery and dedication. It's also a time to think about what freedom means to us. Freedom guides us the right to speak, to learn, and to live our lives the way we choose. We should always respect our country and work hard to make it a better place. Thank you.
అందరికీ శుభోదయం. నా పేరు రోహిత. నేను 10వ తరగతి చదువుతున్నాను. గౌరవనీయులైన ప్రిన్సిపల్ మేడం గారికి, ఉపాధ్యాయులకు మరియు నా ప్రియమైన మిత్రులందరికీ ముందుగా 78వ స్వాతంత్ర దినోత్సవ శుభాకాంక్షలు. ఈ రోజు దేశ ప్రజలందరూ 78వ స్వాతంత్ర దినోత్సవాన్ని జరుపుకుంటారు. ఎందుకంటే 1947 ఆగస్టు 15న భారతదేశం వందల ఏళ్ల బానిసత్వం నుండి విడుదల పొందింది. దానికి గుర్తుగా ఆగస్టు 15వ తేదీన స్వాతంత్ర దినోత్సవంగా జాతీయ జెండాను ఎగరవేస్తారు. ధన్యవాదాలు.